something strange is happening. We live in the age of information, and yet people are thinking less than ever. Truth has become a choice. Facts feel like opinions, and anyone with confidence can sound like an expert. Critical thinking, once the foundation of intelligence, is quietly dying. Scroll through social media and you'll see it. Loud voices win over logical ones. Emotion beats evidence. And we reward the confident, not the correct. Somewhere along the line, we stopped asking, is this true? And started asking, does this make me feel good? That's the turning point. When truth became entertainment, it's easier to believe what feels good than to question what's real. And that's exactly how stupidity took over. Not by force, but by comfort. Because thinking is hard. It takes effort to question. It takes humility to admit you might be wrong. But reacting, that's easy. And our world is built to make easy the default. Headlines are designed to provoke, not inform. Algorithms reward outrage, not insight. We don't seek knowledge anymore. We scroll for confirmation. And in doing that, we trade our ability to think for the pleasure of being right. But here's the truth no one wants to face. Stupidity isn't loud. It's quiet. It spreads through indifference, through people who could think deeper, but choose not to. Real intelligence isn't about knowing everything. It's about staying curious. It's the ability to pause, to question, to ask, wait, does this even make sense? Critical thinking is what keeps us human. It's what separates awareness from manipulation. And once it's gone, we stop making choices. We start being controlled. So, how do we bring it back? Start small. When you see something online, don't react, reflect. When someone disagrees with you, listen, not to reply, but to understand. Because every time you question, you're keeping the flame of reason alive. The truth is, the world doesn't need more opinions. It needs more thinkers. People who can slow down in the chaos. People who can see beyond emotion. People who choose truth even when it's uncomfortable. So ask yourself, are you thinking or just reacting? Because that question alone might be the last act of critical thinking our world has left